Britney Spears is not quite done with her child support obligations, even though both of her sons have now officially entered adulthood. The iconic pop star, who first burst onto the scene in the late 1990s with her smash hit Baby One More Time, is still expected to continue financially supporting her ex-husband Kevin Federline in regard to their children. Although her sons are no longer legally minors, Sean Preston Federline turned 19 on September 14, 2024, and Jayden James Federline reached his 18th birthday just 2 days earlier. On September 12, child support payments from Spears are likely to continue, but not indefinitely. The reason for the extended financial support is tied to California's legal framework, which stipulates that child support does not automatically end the moment a child turns 18. According to California law, the jurisdiction for child support extends until the child reaches 18 years of age, or if by their 18th birthday they have not yet graduated from high school, payments continue until the child's high school graduation. But in no case can it extend beyond their 19th birthday. Therefore, since Jayden has yet to graduate from high school, Spears is required to maintain her financial obligations until that milestone is met. Kevin Federline's attorney, Mark Vincent Kaplan, provided further clarification on the legal requirements during an interview with People on September 13, 2024. He explained, child support jurisdiction continues until the minor child reaches the age of 18, or if upon their 18th birthday they have not yet graduated high school, it continues until they graduate high school, but in no event later than their 19th birthday. As of now, Jayden's high school graduation is expected to take place in November of this year, which means Spears will likely continue to provide financial support for a few more months. Kaplan confirmed that the payments being made by Spears for Jayden are entirely in line with the stipulations of California law. News reached out to Britney's representatives to inquire about the ongoing child support situation, but as of yet, there has been no official comment from her team. Nonetheless, Britney has been open in the past about her deep love and affection for her sons, despite the fact that their family dynamic has been complicated in recent years. The 42-year-old singer has been candid on social media about the emotional toll the estrangement from her children has taken on her. Back in June 2023, Britney posted a heartfelt throwback photo on Instagram that depicted her holding a young Jayden, along with a caption that consisted of 2 tulip emojis. The nostalgic post came in the wake of the news that both Jayden and Sean Preston were preparing to relocate to Hawaii with their father Kevin Federline, his wife Victoria Prince, and their 2 daughters. According to Kevin's attorney, the move was motivated by a desire for the family to escape the intense public scrutiny they faced in Los Angeles. He told People at the time, "It's an opportunity for Kevin and his wife, and the boys are ready to get away from the LA microscope." Although Sean and Jayden have largely stayed out of the public eye throughout their childhood, they did speak out in 2022 about their relationship with their mother in a candid ITV documentary. During the program, Jayden expressed that while there is no ill will toward his mother, the path to healing their fractured relationship would take time. He explained that it would require a significant amount of effort from both sides to repair the emotional distance that had formed. "I 100% think this can be fixed," Jayden said during the documentary. "It's just going to take a lot of time and effort. I just want her to get better mentally. When she gets better, I really want to see her again." Britney, who has often used social media as a platform to express her feelings, responded to Jayden's remarks on Instagram in September 2022. In a heartfelt and vulnerable post, she conveyed the challenges she has faced as a mother and addressed the complexities of their relationship. "I've tried my best to be the best person I can be," she wrote, hinting at the personal struggles she endured during the years she spent under a conservatorship. To be basically held hostage in homes under nurses and Bull's tea. Britney went on to express her unwavering love for her sons and her hope that one day they would come to understand her perspective. "I hope my kids one day understand my reasoning," she wrote. "I send all the love in the world to you every day for the rest of my life." While Britney's relationship with her sons has had its ups and downs, she has often spoken about how proud she is of the young men they have become. In a March 2021 Instagram post, Britney reflected on how quickly time had passed and how much her boys had grown. "It's so crazy how time flies. My boys are so big now," she wrote. I know. It's very hard for any mama, especially a mama with boys, seeing them grow up so fast. Talk about enough to make you go to your knees. Geez." She continued to gush over how lucky she feels to have 2 such wonderful sons, acknowledging that although she may not share as many photos of them as she once did, it was only because they had reached the age where they wanted to assert their independence and carve out their own identities. "I haven't posted pictures of them for some time cause they're at the age where they want to express their own identities, and I totally get it." In fact, Britney was thrilled when the boys agreed to have their picture taken during a family trip to Disneyland in 2019. Posting the pictures on Instagram, she shared her excitement, writing, "Great time at Disneyland today. but I don't remember ever getting that wet on Splash Mountain. Geez, anyhow my boys are older now, so they don't like their picture taken ever. So I was thrilled today when they said sure. Such a great place. Despite the challenges that have marked her journey as a mother, Britney has remained steadfast in her dedication to her sons. Whether it's reflecting on past memories, navigating difficult family dynamics, or continuing her financial obligations, the pop icon's love for her children has never wavered. You said,